In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel ElevenLabs subscription. We'll walk through the exact path inside the ElevenLabs app and finish in the secure billing portal where you complete the cancellation. I'll also point out what you'll see on each screen so nothing catches you off guard. Start by opening the ElevenLabs homepage and sign in if you're prompted. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen for your profile icon. Click that to open the account menu. From this menu, choose Subscription. This brings you to the area that summarizes your current plan, your usage, and your next billing date, which is helpful to note before you proceed. On the subscription page, click the Billing section. The billing view is where invoices, payment methods, and upcoming charges are managed. You're not canceling yet, this is just the doorway to the place where you will. Next, click Manage Billing Information. This opens a secure billing portal in a new tab, handled by ElevenLabs' payment processor. The layout here may look a little different from the app, but it's designed specifically for subscription changes. Give it a moment to load, and if you're asked to verify your account, follow the on-screen prompts. Inside the billing portal, you can cancel your subscription or remove your payment details. To fully stop future charges, choose the option to cancel your plan and follow the confirmation steps. Most subscriptions remain active until the end of your current billing period, so you'll typically retain access until that date. If you instead remove a payment method, be aware that this does not always cancel an active subscription on its own. Make sure you see a cancellation confirmation. Before you close the tab, consider downloading any invoices you need for your records. Return to the ElevenLabs subscription page and refresh to confirm your status has updated. You should also receive an email receipt or confirmation from the billing system shortly after. If you decide to come back later, you can reactivate from the same subscription and billing areas using the Manage Billing Information link.